Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you request money on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Revolut and log into your account. So I'm going to open up mine and logging in now. So let me log in. Okay, I've already logged in. So now that's my home screen. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to request money. So to do that, what you're going to do, you go to click on this transfer tab here below. So click on the transfer tab, and then on your top right you will see new option. Hit on new, click on it, and then scroll down and you will see an option called create payment link. So click on it, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to request money using a link. So click on request money. All right, so once you click on request money, what you're going to do, then select the request a specific amount, and then type in the balance, the currency, and then the amount that you wish to request. And then if you have anything to say, like you get any notes, so you can just add it here. And then once you're done, then tap the request option. So that will generate a payment link to the person. So here, then once you click on this request, okay, so what are you going to do, your payment link is now request. So now all you have to do is just share this link. So this is the link, just copy it, and then you can just share it to whoever you want, and then request them to get to do the payment. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.